Hey, hey, hey! Sweetness, how is everyone this morning?
What?
How is everyone?
Wet and cold.
That's wrong.
Just cold.
Okay, great.
It's cold. Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Typical YouTuber fashion, Patrick.
Yeah. Is he running late?
Yeah.
Is he Sid late? Oh no, yeah.
Does that be tomorrow?
Sorry, yeah, Sid wouldn't be here yet.
It's almost Ricky living life fast late.
All the puns, all the shots being fired. Have you? Who have we got coming in today?
TGE.
TGE, London Muscle. I'm going to put his little meme face just there. Bringing his Golf.
GTI 7.5.
Correct.
Yeah, he messaged us basically saying he wanted to do some modifications but didn't want to spend any money. So we did a bit of a package for basically £1,000. So intake, Pipercross, Remus rear box and the spacers. So yeah, £1,000 package fitted on this Golf 7.5. That'd be good. I like doing these sort of packages where people have a budget and you can do as much as you can. Film that is more interesting than me. Is it the best Lamborghini in Europe? As in modified Lamborghini? Oh, valves are open now. Valves are
Good morning, Indy pal. Introduce yourself to the Motech clan.
I'm Indy from the performance company. I sell stuff.
Idiot. Hello and welcome back to another video. It has been a while. However, today we have Mr. Tom and the videographer Mr. Ollie in with his Golf GTI in for some special bits.
Indeed.
Remus exhaust, Pipercross Induction Kit and some wheel spacers. Enjoy!
Hello, welcome back to TGE TV. Doing a video with my Golf GTI today. There's going to be a lot of modifications going on. I'm doing what I have dubbed a TGE special to my Golf. I'm doing a new intake, I'm doing a new exhaust, and I'm doing spacers as well. So nice reversible stuff, not expensive stuff, but stuff that's going to really change the car, alter the aesthetic, make it sound nicer, and just, yeah, make it more of a vibe. So that is going on here at Motech, so make sure you check them out. Just have a little look at the before. Yeah, let's do the engine bay, and then we'll do some revs before, and then we'll discuss. We'll get the parts out, have a little look at that, and then we'll fit it all. Well, I won't fit it. I don't know what I'm doing. Leave that out. So, Captain Mike, what are we replacing in there?
Okay, like you said, we're doing spacers on it, so we're doing 12mm all the way around on this car. We're doing a Remus rear box exhaust delete, which is quite nice, not expensive modification, so that will look really good. And we're replacing this big, ugly, horrible plastic thing here with a nice intake from Pipercross, so yeah, it should sound a lot better. It'll look like that DSG pop sound as well when you change gear, so win-win.
I agree. I must admit, it's not loud as it is. This is a really sensible daily driver, so it's not a loud car as it is, but I need it louder. So yeah, I mean,
Is it on?
yeah, exactly. It sounds like a Prius. Can anyone hear anything?
You could dub the Lamborghini over the top.
Yeah, we can put some V12 noise over that. Okay, but anyway, you get the point. It's useless. Yeah, because we need noisy cars, don't we? Noisiness is important. Okay, let's go and check out the parts.
Please.
So here we have our Remus exhaust tips. Getting the little sheath off. Sheath. Well, you've just sworn, haven't you?
No.
Okay.
I was in there.
I heard a...
I heard some. So anyway, here we go. Remus tips, they're going on. I didn't want anything too obscene, so these are only slightly larger than the standard ones on there. I'm not a fan of the chav look. Actually, I am. What am I on about? It's a daily driver, so I don't want it too obscene. But anyway, those are the tips, and they're going to look really cool.
They will. These are your spacers.
Yep. So this is going to basically, cars as they come standard, and in this case, I can't.
Just stick
that sheet is really troubling me. Cars as they come standard, the wheel arches aren't filled. Ollie, mate, you need to stop being so popular.
Sorry, I do.
More nudes.
Could be.
Does your bird watch this, or?
Could be.
Might be her sending them. Chance would be a fine thing. Okay, mate. So these are going to fill the wheel arches a little bit nicer because it'll give them a bit more of a nice stance.
Yeah, they're hang on, let me just...
Are they stuck together?
They're not. You'll just... maybe London Muscle help you.
Oh, what have you done there, mate?
Ow. So strong. And then this is your induction kit.
More air. That's probably about 10-12 horsepower. On a tube,
really?
It's about 17 horsepower. It's a big difference, yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, big difference.
More air, more winds, more power.
More fuel.
Yeah, more fuel.
More sounds.
Yeah, I'm loaded, mate.
More turbo flutter. You should be able to hear
Yeah,
it.
you hear the wastegate?
Really?
Like, yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
There we go.
You heard it here first. I'm excited now. Good. I was excited anyway, but I'm even more excited with my heat shield here. Right. Is that the extent of the exhaust? Is there a box or anything going on?
No, there's no box. So we'll go down and show once on the ramp.
Okay, sick.
But we're going to remove the rear box basically. So it's just you've got a big factory OEM box which we'll film in a second.
Okay.
And we're going to replace it with a Y pipe.
Okay, so that's the missing element of this. So with the exhaust, it's not just the tips. There is something that's going to replace the box on there and put like just basically straighter pipes through and less restriction. I guess.
Which is less. Yeah, exactly. So
and more damage to the environment, hopefully.
London, yeah.
Wilting trees soon come.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, let's. Everyone, basically, if you're still watching this, you're actually still tuning in. Make sure you abuse Archie and tell him to get an exhaust in his car or something. Tell him to come down to Motech and put some springs in his car as well.
That's an MK7 rear spoiler.
I like that, and I actually mentioned that in my video with Archie. I said, get a carbon lip.
£330 fitted.
You can put it. He is loaded. Yeah, that's sick. I remember from my E93 M3 years and years and years ago. Blessed up if you remember that car.
That blue one was so nice.
You remember it?
Oh, hell
Good
yeah.
on you.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yes, excellent. I bought a wing from Alibaba. This is going somewhere.
Yes, you can do your 0 to 60s.
Digital P3 gauge.
Yeah.
It's all your boost gauge.
It's all your boost gauge.
So I've seen these in M4s.
Yeah,
You can get them in your GTI and stuff.
That's a GTI one there. So it plugs
Really?
in. Yeah,
You get your
plug in
vent as
the
well.
back.
That's sick. Can you actually? Does that just plug in?
Yeah, it goes into the OBD diagnostic port. Shift light, yeah.
Shift lights, speed,
Get in the comments. Tell me if I need one of these.
0 to 60s. Because it's a Golf GTD, we're probably around.
It's going to keep going and
There.
So what's coming up here? Mike was just explaining this box is coming out and there is like a pipe somewhere on the floor. But you presumably quite restrictive, heavy.
Yeah, completely, yeah. But that with the air filter and the spacers, it's, you know, drive in, drive out, £1,000.
Yeah, so actually what I should have said from the start, the whole package I'm doing, so the intake, the spacers and the box with the tips, the whole lot is give or take £1,000. But if you do have a GTI, Golf R or just M140 or any kind of sexy little hatchback, then get in the pot basically, because these things are not as expensive as you might think. And it is, to an extent as well, I get a lot of people asking about like warranty and stuff like that. It's very dealer specific, and I can't stand here and say, oh yeah, it's definitely not going to affect your warranty, but stuff like this, it's bolt on, bolt off. It doesn't affect any of the diagnostics in the car. You're not messing around with sensors.
You'll get a couple of horsepower more with the mods anyway, so.
You what?
You'll get a couple more horsepower with the mod that you're doing, so.
Yeah, so it'll be about 800 brake.
About 9, yeah, about 800, yeah.
Good, 800 brake, get it fast.